Who goes? Who goes? Yo, the weather is... What may I say weather is crazy? Because it's kind of nice. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Gotta go at it. We'll be chilling in the West End. Yo, what go on? Me know that this up on IG. No sound? Yeah, I was trying to listen to it. No sound? What do you mean? Dismiss. Well, now you hear me now? You guys hearing me now? Well, now you hear me? Where the continent, boss? Nigy good, you know? Just talk to him a while ago, Nigy. Nigy all that work. Nigy in the studio, all that work. Nigy is doing his job. You know, everybody have a job. Nigy in the studio, all that work. Nigy in the studio, build beat. Nigy in the studio, do producing. Him in the studio, do arrangement. Nigy in the studio, do one bag of something. One bag of something. Nigy is working on project with so much people right now. So not just go and watch and see what's going on. You know, I know some of you sit there and say, yo, Lavish, what's up? What's going on? Yeah, man. Nigy in the studio busy like hell. You see me? The body busy, and it's like, put it this way, in music, you gotta buy the meat. You gotta buy the meat. You gotta wash, you gotta cut off the fat. You gotta season the meat. You gotta let it marinate. And then you gotta cook the meat, and then you gotta serve it. So just put music like that. Right? So some people say, well, I'm not going there. What come out new? Things are coming out. Just like Lavish. Yeah, Lavish in the studio working, don't? Working. Whoop up something I cook. And when everything drop like bam, I open the ready feet, I open the can say, alright, you know what happened? Yeah, man, enough. On the belly, all of your belly about to be full. All of your belly is about to full. Nigy in the studio working on so much project right now. We're working on some serious project. Serious collab, serious project. Right? Me can't tell them, me can't give them some. Me can't let out one and two push out of the bag. Right? But Nigy in the studio working on. We say Nigy is different from everybody. You understand? Only can look out a big project coming. Conscience and Nigy boy. Big project coming. Conscience and Nigy boy, don't it? You hear me say big project? Bam. Project. Dove Magnum. And who? Nigy boy. Don't it? Yo. Dove Magnum and Nigy boy have a song. And I go say, whoa. Dove Magnum and Nigy boy have a song. Dove Magnum, yeah? Dove Magnum have a song. When I go and say, whoa. Understand? That's coming. Lavish and Nigy boy have film project that we'll be working on. You understand? That we're working on right now. You understand? And then we'll pass it over. You understand? No. Nigy boy and Maxi Priest have a project working on. You hear me say? Nigy boy and Maxi Priest have a project working on. So we are not sleeping, we are moving. See? Renzo, what's up, Renzo? Renzo, you say, are you? And my friend Renzo this? And my friend Renzo. Is my friend Renzo this? Nigy boy and so Nigy boy and Conscience Nigy Boy and Dover Magnum. And Nigy Boy and a female artist is working on a nice, oh my God. Can anybody tell me who is that female artist? Nigy Boy and a female artist. Can anybody tell me who that female artist is? No, it's not Spice. It's not Spice. Right? At the moment. It's not Sensia at the moment. Me telling about Dovey. But Nigy Boy and a female artist is working on a crazy, crazy, crazy project. Right? Can who tell me who that female is? It's a big woman in our business. Big woman in our business. Everybody love her. Everybody. Can anybody tell me who that is? So we working. Can anybody tell me who that female is? As me says, a big woman in our business. Everybody love her. Right? I want to say who good enough to tell me who that female is. Me not call her name because I go no hint. So we working on a lot of things. Lot of stuff. And at the same time, we are touring. You know, this weekend coming, God spare our life, we're going to be in Bimini, Bahamas. Bimini, Bahamas this weekend. Lord, you just calling him, so yes, that's correct. Nigy Boy and Marcia Griffiths working, oh my God, on a project. So we in the studio, Nigy in the studio till from in the morning, from like I said 10 o'clock. Right now, I'm asleep right now. If you go to the studio, you understand? Go do what you need to do. Then I studio till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. We're not leaving no stone unturned. We are not stopping anything. We are on the move. So Nigy Boy and Marcia Griffiths have a solid coming. You understand? Solid. So there's 2 female currently. Can't give you the rest. Dovey Magnum, yes. Dovey Magnum and Nigy Boy have a bad song. Bad song. And Nigy Boy and Marcia Griffiths have a bad song. Nigy Boy and Conscience, bad. No one can't wait for you that. So we're moving. Nigy Boy and me always call you name wrong. Why me always call you name wrong? J-Cam, that's his name, right? Me always call you name wrong. J-Cam. He's currently on tour with Sean Paul right now. And Nigy Boy and Kalira have a mad project. Nigy Boy have project working on with Silly Walks them. And we just literally finishing up a nice project that the work is coming out of Guyana. Jacob, yeah, me has to call the name wrong. I don't know why. Right? So we have a lot of things working on, people. We have a lot of songs. And you know, as always, Nigy Boy, should I say? Okay. And then also, Nigy Boy and Russian, as always. You know Russian stay, you know. You know Russian, they're all over the market. Every avenue. See? Every avenue. So right now, you know, so Nigy Boy and Russian, I don't know what time it is. Now leave it there so. And then, Spider and Ramesh. Brown, what go on? Spider and Ramesh. Spider and Ramesh. Bad project again. See? Andrew Blacks. Bad project. Johnny Blaze. Bad project. Skinny Fabulous. Oh gosh. Big Jello. From Grenada, lot of project working on. So we all over the place. Things are moving. Working on things. I mean, things can drop where it need to be. DJ Frost, don't it? DJ Frost and Nigy boy. Big up to Cartel them. Yeah man, big up to TJ them, Cartel them, big them up. Yeah, big up to DJ Tory, yeah? So it's a lot going on. There's a lot of, let me tell you something. There's a lot of changes. A lot of changes. A lot of things that are happening, will be happening for 2025. All good things. All good things will be happening. Now, Lavish now. Come ever talk about each individual artist. Lavish. When I notice, I sign Lavish. I mean, no one sit down and say, boy, in sign Lavish, but I see my put up one and two look or something. And I see Lavish I put up things, but I don't see nothing I go on. I know what I think. I know what I say. I don't see nothing I go on. Why go on? Because you see when time we go so, look, you see we go like this and put the key in the door and turn the door and the door open, it's going to be non-stop. It's going to be non-stop. Non-stop, non-stop, non-stop. You see what I say? Now Lavish is going to be one of those artists where you cannot get rid of. You cannot deny. There's nothing that you can do, that nobody can do, to stop Lavish career. Lavish about to explode like a dynamite. We working. We cooking things. You know, I'm not tell Lavish don't know everything what me I do. Yeah, she don't know everything what me I do. But Lavish I go have a song with somebody where Lavish I go have a song with somebody. I mean, never Lavish, listen, not even Lavish don't know about it. Not even Lavish know about it. You understand? Me would just tell me artists and say, yo, give me that song, yeah? Give me that open verse, this one I want, and me do the work. Now, Nigy boy have a song. Let me go back to as me talk about Lavish. Nigy boy have a song with Wendy Cher. You know who Wendy Cher is? You know me call the name wrong, but Wendy. You know who Wendy Cher is? Go look her up. Go look her up. Come my way. No push, no pressure. Yo, Lavish. I rap on something for Lavish right now. And let me tell you something. You know the internet will be talking, gonna be talking, gonna have things to say. But remember that we know what we're doing and we are great at our work that we do. So I rap on a project for Lavish right now. And as soon as I get it and it's done, we know we hear about it. You feel me? So, Nigy boy and Lavish. I just want you guys to follow the music, support the music, be a part of the journey from now. Don't want to be a part of the journey later on when everything is touching. Be a part of the journey. Be a part of the journey. Be a part of the journey. One thing I know about this music business, right? One thing I know about this music business is that sometimes when I think about my blogging career and my days of blogging and how I've contributed to blogging and the journey that I've went down and where I'm at now, I have to give the creator the biggest praise and thanks. Because even people that we never get along in the past, we get along. I've beat artists before too, yeah. I beat 1 and 2 artists when I do my blogging. There's different, you understand? I've done that. I beat 1 and 2 artists. If it's some of the artists that want to beat me and my friend now, we're working together. Literally working together. And producers too. We are good. Because they all know what time it is. But when I see that all of us can be working together and there's a unity within the music industry right now, if you're not a part of the unity camp, then you're in something that's wrong. If you are not a part of the unity camp, and I notice that a lot of these people don't want to be a part of the unity camp, but if you're not a part of the unity camp, right, then there's a problem. There is an underground billing of a unity camp going on right now that most people don't know about. But there's a big unity within the music industry between bloggers, producers, and artists that are forming, and people are in talking right now that a lot of you don't know what's going on. Right? Now if you think about, okay, my days of blogging and how much people me beat and me and them go back to back and war at it. Me and a lot of them are good now. So I'm an inspiration. Let me generally say, I'm an inspiration to a lot of people. You feel me? I say? Because a lot of people don't feel like I can do it or I could do it or whatever it is, but I've done it. And I'm going to do it again and again and again and again and again and again. You feel me? I say? I always have something up my sleeve. I always work a certain way where you don't know what to expect from Dr. Love. And me not gonna be when I want that come on live and talk me on and like say me a this and me a that. I've done my days. I've done my days. I have done my days in a music. Even yesterday, for example, I was on the phone and talking to Ramesh for a minute yesterday. And I look back at it. You know what I'm saying? All of them beat all of them. In my blogging this, we beat all of them. Everybody don't say, yo, me speak my mind. But all of us is working together because there is a unity camp. There is a unity camp. You know what I mean? Say everybody I gotta trust everybody. And everybody are just running so. But there is a unity camp going on. And if you are an artist and you're not a part of a unity camp, and if you're a producer and you're not a part of the unity camp, then you have a problem. If you're a producer or you're a manager and you don't want to be a part of that unity camp and you don't want to work together, then you have a problem because guess what happened? We all in that unity camp. We all build unity. We all sit at the same table. We hold conversation on the phone. Why everybody out there is creating excitement and a carrying and boy this one, this and that one, that and all that. We are behind the scene working together and building a unity. And it's not everybody that's going to be under the musical journey of unity. Because you have a lot of bad mind and envy in a music. And those people that are bad mind and envy, them cannot be a part of the unity camp because they don't have any unity within themselves. And everybody that are getting an opportunity now, you have to give everybody their credit and give everybody them big up for the opportunity them I get. All of us, I look at Nuffy for example. Look at Nuffy. Let's use Nuffy as an example. Over the years, me and Nuffy them are friend. Yeah, Nuffy beat me beat Nuffy. Over the years, me and Nuffy them is not friend. And we gotta keep it 100. We're not friends over the years. But we are not enough of them become associate and link up on the road of the journey into music. Go on and do something. The first time me see Nuffy, where we actually dialogue at UBS Theater in New York when Nigy do it. And we dance and we are chat and blah blah blah. We don't know Nuffy. Alright, and we go somewhere else again. And in Brooklyn and we run into him and dialogue. And all the different enough they have and me have and whatever it is. We just keep it mutual. Talk about musical thing and keep it moving. Him give me respect, me give me respect. You understand me I say? All I want go on for the net, nobody not disrespect nobody and all that. Cause hey, nothing beat me bad, I beat him bad. But me see him. But then when you look at it, no, where nothing is now. You understand? Where he is now at this moment and how is he getting the opportunity he's getting? I mean, you have to give him big up and say, all right, all of us, cause all of us was in the worst position until we get in a better position. And a lot of people don't like the fact of the matter is that people are coming out of the worst position and going into the good position. So when you come out of the worst position and go into the good position now, people that are still in the worst position that don't want to get out of the worst position want to bring you down and want to talk about you in the position that you are now. And for you that was in a worse position now in a better position, it's for you not to look back at those persons that are in the worst position and don't want to come out of the worst position. Because if you are in a worse position and you don't want to take yourself out of it to make your life better, and you still sit on the internet every day and I chat about this one, that one, and who this, and you're giving people advice about their career, their life, and their doing, and their glory, and you are not doing anything to better your life, to make your life becomes a glory, or your life becomes something, then obviously, in other words, it's a bad mind lifestyle livity. And as long as you have bad mind lifestyle livity and you don't want to get out of it, you're never going to be something, because all the people that was in the worst position with you are now in a better position and you're still in that position. So you have no choice but either try to get in a better position or remain in the negative position, and that is where your position always going to be, and your position never going to be anything. How can a man be in a worse position and a man that nobody never like? How comes a man like Dr. Love where people used to say big nose boy, fish boy, chatterbox boy, obey boy, me not like that boy there, him up in everybody's business. Now how comes I was in that worst position to you, but now I'm in a better position? How did we get from there to here? Thinking, smartness, loyalty, good livity, good decision. You see, your downtime don't supposed to be a lifetime. Your downtime supposed to be your strongest point. So, in other words, your weakest point should be your strongest point in life. My friend, where I go on? You understand what I'm saying? So when I look back at my life and how things are, I know God has blessed me tremendously. I got to give him thanks. I cannot press my life and come on live and I cuss this one and cuss that one and all of that. I passed those levels. I'm not on that levels anymore. I cannot go back to that. All the producers I'm working with, all the artists I'm working with, and every time I go on the road and I see somebody, what's up, my friend? You dash me away. Me have you up. Me have you up. Yeah, I'm a friend for life. All the people that for over the years that there have been some problem with and all of that. When we meet up on the road, it's a whole different situation. The people that I am in dialogue with now and in a unity with, where we all, some people don't even like them, people some of them don't even remember. I remember there was times I couldn't pick up my phone and call certain people on the phone and talk to them. They're like, oh, me call back or this, or then send me to voicemail or then read the message. No, pretty much 95% of them, 80% of them, they responded to me and me responded. No, it's the other way around. I feel what it feels, because people reach out to me sometime and me may not get back to them till a later date or whatever it is. So it's like, okay, oh, so that's what it was. Now I understand the overload work and whatever it is. You feel me? So we are moving, and when you're moving to greatness, you cannot let the negative wear you down or bring in a level. Because people that never rate me and never like me no like me and have no choice but to like me. Because if you cannot beat me, you join me. You feel me? We're sitting at the same table. We're drinking at the same bar. We're traveling in the same plane. And sometimes some people on the road, I can't know the people who never like me, you know. But they will say, Dr. Boy, big up yourself, I'm like what you do, you know. And some of them, you can't see the expression on their face. And then the other time, they say, Jano, Wagwan, boy, more me sit down and talk some business because now I becomes an asset to them. So what I did, I took social media and turned social media into a better life. Yeah, link me, whatever. Yeah, I'm a friend for life. You understand? I take social media and turn it into a mall, turn it into a restaurant, turn it into something good. While some people that on social media still do the same blogging over and over. They're sitting online doing reviews about people's life and people's career when their life need to be reviewed and their life need to revamp that they can be better. You understand? That is what we see I go on around the place. It's me, Dr. Love. I used to sit behind the steering. Allergy. I used to sit behind the steering, do my live. Drive and do my live. Now I am flying and doing my live. I'm in different country doing my live. Now I'm here today. Tomorrow I'm going to see me in a whole total different country. See, that bookings are calling me. The bookings are calling me. I have to call them back. Hold on. A bookings are calling me. Hold on, people. I'm trying to call them back. Hold on. Even that, for example. I have a booking agency now. I have a booking agency. You know what I'm saying? I'm called bookings. No, I can't done. So I'm just saying, I am grateful for where I am. I am grateful for where I'm moving. And there's a lot of people gonna come along the way, and a lot of people. A lot of people gonna come along the way. Me call them back when I'm done. A lot of people gonna come along the way. It's just life, people. But I am continuing my journey. I thank everybody that have been supporting me, encouraging me. And I'm just keep the journey going. A lot of people want me to fail, but it's not gonna happen. Reach too far. I'm doing producing right now. So much songs. It's some craziest thing going on. So much songs that are that I'm producing right now, that I'm putting out. I'm working with some serious artists. Serious artists. I'm wanting to support Lavish. Wanting to go follow Lavish official page. Go follow Lavish YouTube channel. Follow our page. Because it's about to be real. Go like our music, comment on our music, encourage her. Because like somebody sent me a message the other day and said, I sent out something with Lavish. And somebody sent me a message. I go ask me, say, what kind of artist am I producing? Am I managing? I said to the person, what do you mean? Because I was a little bit lost. What kind of artist do I produce? I said, I produce an artist. Oh, because I don't know. I said, what are you saying? And then growing it and all that. I just cut them right to that track. Cut them right to that track. Because let me tell you something. It's a Lavish official. It's the first in the industry when I go see an artist like that, young and so bad and talented, yeah? First, when I go see things we've never seen before. But we don't, what's the radio said? We don't create baby, we create giants. We don't create babies, we create giants. Giants. Or we create a baby to become a giant. Better yet. Okay? We create a baby to become a giant. Short boss. Remember, we create a baby to become a giant. Do the maths and do the reading. Anyway, people, big up on yourself. Dr. Love to the world. You know, for WhatsApp me, my WhatsApp number still remain the same, 973-342-2487. If you call me and get my WhatsApp, me send me a message. I respond back to you as soon as I can for bookings. I don't do bookings. I will entertain the conversation, but I don't do bookings. There's a booking agency, Francis Management. Go in the bio, information in there. Go in a Nigy bio, information in there. Go in a Lavish bio, information is there. Contact the bookings. We got to be in Bimini, the Bahamas this weekend. We will be in Bimini, Bahamas for the homecoming. The next weekend, we're going to be in Berbice, Guyana. Next weekend, and I have to check the calendar. We have in Chicago, we are coming. We're coming to Chicago. Canada will come in. Jamaica will come in. Barbados, not Barbados, Antigua will come in. St. Thomas we are coming. There's a lot of dates. So I will give you guys the dates as the dates comes along, and keep watching the page. Big up on yourself. Dr. Love to the world.